420 PKs for life, nigga. For life.
Say something else. Say something else. You're a beta. You're not a beta. You're not a man.
Yeah, baby.
BK for life.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff Brown estaba por se hizo la boobie y el booty, viste de Christian Dior, activa a todas sus amigas con un gol.
Fucking DJ, nigga. Rapping DJ, nigga.
Yeah. Who run it? You know you're acting like it down now. You run it. You know but you're acting like it down now. Who run it? You know you're acting like it down now. We run it. You know but you're acting like it down now. You know you're acting like it down now. I tell the club up fuck show. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know but you're acting like it down now.
Man, I say I run it cause I'm in control. Hypnotic Hennessy, a couple shots of Patron. I had you feeling nice, I get your eyes a kite. Party poppin', shawty say she coming with me.
DK for life. DK for the life. We thought you was friends till you stabbed with knives. But see DK, yeah, we always gotta survive. And half of y'all niggas talk shit but you fucking die. Yeah, we might close 1 or maybe 8 times.
Divine Kings for life.
DK, nigga.
But you know we come back with like 8 lines of fucking soldiers that body niggas. We ain't got time, so we Scotty niggas. Leave you plastered, this is a disaster. Y'all niggas seen Go Tanks 223, there's the master. I move too faster and kill them all with KTV. Switch piles, in transition, we on a mission. Y'all niggas don't ever see our vision, so it's all over. We gotta toast ya, and now we going in for a fucking kill. Y'all niggas all fake, where is the real? So you gotta run.
I'm going in for the kill.
Yeah.
I'm doing it for a thrill.
Welcome back to hell, bitches. Divine Kings have it. You bring hell to your lands, nigga. Send your ass to Edgeville every single day, every single way. Half of you niggas talking shit, but half of you niggas really gay. So you said,
and there's a million of us just like me, who cuss like me, who just don't give a fuck like me, who dress like me, walk, talk, and act like me. It just might be the next best thing, but not quite me.
I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up, please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim
You're a woman right now. But hopefully one day, if you fuck us long enough, you're gonna be DK, nigga. You're gonna be alpha, nigga. But right now, you're beta, nigga. But I pray to God that maybe one day you'll be like us. You be fucking alpha.